Hello, welcome to the FAT factory acceptance testing of the automated sanding line, which will go to your road. Now I'll walk you through the complete line to show you the workflow. Machine number 1, automatic loading machine. The manipulator will pick up the panel. You drop it on the conveyor with a central function. Here is a controller for the loading machine. Now this is the core of the sanding line. 06 sanding center. Equipment 6 modular units. R, Q, K, HQ. Here follow the roller conveyor. Now the panel flows into a flipper. The flipper will turn over the panel, preparing for the back side of the sanding. Unloading machine with another controller. Unloading machine picks up the panel and drop it on the pallet for stacking. Okay, that's the complete sanding